Which of the following statement is true? Okay, gametes are diploid, zygote is haploid, gametes are haploid, zygote is triploid. Okay, here you have to remember two processes. First one is mitosis and meiosis. In mitosis, it is if the number of chromosomes in the cell is 2n diploid, it gets converted into n. That is, it is being divided into 2 and each one is given n number of chromosomes. Okay, this meiosis basically happens in gametes, that is sex cells. Whereas mitosis happens in all cells except sex cells. We can call it as somatic cells. Okay, leave this here and start focusing on meiosis. Okay, now the cells which are formed from the main organ, that is from the sperm mother cell or the ovum mother cell, it is diploid in nature. During the process of meiosis, now it becomes haploid in number. Is this clear? Okay, next comes about ovum, where the ovum is also from 2n to n. It becomes n with the help of a process called meiosis. Okay, during fertilization, the male and female gametes now fuses and forms 2n. This fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization and the result is called as zygote. Okay, now the ploidy of zygote will be 2n. Okay, remember these points. Now look at the options again. Gametes are diploid? No. Gametes are haploid because of the process of meiosis. Even the sperm cells are haploid in number, whereas the ovaries are ovum cells or the ovum gametes, female gametes are also haploid in nature. Okay. Next, zygote is haploid? No. Zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. Now what is fertilization? Fertilization is a process of fusion of male and female gametes. Okay, each gamete has haploid number, okay, where they together gets fused and forms 2n number, that is diploid. Okay, so this option is also wrong. Okay, gametes are haploid, yes, because of the process called meiosis. Next, zygote is triploid. This is absolutely wrong. Okay, so the answer for this question will be C. Gametes are haploid in number. Okay.